Okay, 20 and 21 are compound inequalities, two inequalities together on the same number line. 20 is the one with the end inequality. So that means when I do graph it, I'm looking at what's common between both things on the number line. This you could do all at once. So I need to figure out what to move away from the y. I have a 9 and a 3. I'm going to get rid of the 9 first by subtracting it underneath itself on the left side and also on the right side. Now I go ahead and do what it says. Negative 6 and a negative 9 is negative 15. Bring the 3y and the symbol again. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So I just did two equations at once. Now I need again to get y by itself. So there's a 3 here. So I need to divide by 3 underneath, on the left, and also on the right. Let me get rid of that negative. Okay, now I go ahead and divide. Negative 15 divided by 3 is a negative 5. That divided by itself cancels. Negative 3 divided by 3 is a negative 1. Let's make our number line. Let's see, we have a negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and here's 0. Okay, here again we're talking about our circles. Both of these are going to be open again. I haven't had one on this study guide that had solid, did I? Well, if it was an underline, it would be solid, but because of this and this, it's an open circle. So open on the negative 5, open on the negative 1. Now let's talk about the arrows. Which way are they going? All my x's, all my y's, they're saying here are less than negative 1, so that's this direction. And then it says all my y's are greater than negative 5, so it's back in this direction. So this is where they're meeting with the open circles on both. Okay, now let's talk about number 21. Okay, 21. So here I have a compound inequality with or. So I'm going to go ahead and do both of them separate, solve them, and graph them on the same number line. So let's do this one first. Subtract 7. 2a is greater than 9 minus 7 is 5. Divide by 2. A is greater than 2.5. The other one, negative 4a, is greater than 8. Divide by a negative 4. Here again is the golden rule, dividing by a negative. So I need to remember to change that sign around. So it's going to become now less than. Now let's divide. A is less than. 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. So both of these are the ones I need to graph together on the same number line. Let's make my number line. Here's 0, 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Here we got negative 1, negative 2. Whenever you have an or inequality, it's all possibilities, this one or that one. So it doesn't matter if they overlap or not. So let's see, A is greater than 2.5. So that's right on the 2.5 with an open circle, greater than. Again, this is the way to greater than, to the right. The other one there, also again, open on the negative 2. And the direction says A's are less than negative 2, so that's going to the left. So that's what my graph should look like for 21.